Grandharvest introduce our brand new kit, the Grandharvest Herbal Kitchen Gardening Kit. Effective use of Grandharvest Bioorganic Liquid Fertilizer Herbal Pest Guard. When your plants are affected with a pest like against aphids, spider mites, whiteflies, thrips, etc., mix 2 ml of this fertilizer in 1 liter of water and spray evenly. It provides a natural protective shield against aphids, spider mites, whiteflies, thrips, etc., and safeguards foliage and supports overall plant health. Effective use of Grandharvest Bioorganic Solid Fertilizer Herbal Root Protector. When crops are affected by root rot, fusarium root rot, or fungal infections, Herbal Root Protector can be used in the following 2 ways. Method 1. For already grown plants. If the plants are already grown, first ensure that the soil is moist. Lightly loosen the soil around the plant using a fork. Then evenly sprinkle the Herbal Root Protector around the root zone. Method 2. At the time of sowing. If you are sowing seeds, first add the Herbal Root Protector into the pot, then sow the seeds directly into it. After sowing, ensure that the soil remains moist. Effective use of Grandharvest Bioorganic Liquid Fertilizer Herbal Vegetative FJ73. Mix 2.5 to 3 ml of this fertilizer in 1 liter of water and spray evenly on the plants. Herbal Vegetative FJ73 is used to enhance and boost vegetative growth. Apply every 10 days or as required during the vegetative stage. Continue application until the flowering stage begins. Effective use of Grandharvest Bioorganic Liquid Fertilizer Herbal Flowering, Fruiting and Stress Buster FJ37. Mix 2.5 to 3 ml of this fertilizer in 1 liter of water and spray evenly on the plants at 10-day intervals. Improves flower development, fruit formation, fruit size, yield and overall quality. Use as required during flowering and fruiting stages.